Please support this channel so that it develops further and provides the latest information for you. Honda CRF 450R, color, red. 0.450cc liquid-cooled Unicam single-cylinder engine, redesigned airbox, W/more flow, new aluminum frame, updated styling, revised plastics for improved ergonomics. (2024) GSX-R600 Overview. Suzuki revolutionized the sport bike category with the introduction of the original GSX-R750 in 1985, and later expanded the GSX-R lineage with the addition of the GSX-R600. The 2024 GSX-R600 embodies Suzuki's tradition of blending race-winning capability with impeccable street manners. The GSX-R600's compact, powerful, four-cylinder engine promptly reacts when you twist the throttle, while its supremely refined suspension and brakes provide precise, responsive handling. The superb ergonomics boost control and comfort while the iconic GSX-R bodywork looks great under. Two versions of the Ninja 500 are available, and the majority of the bikes coming to the UK will be the SE Special Edition versions. The base model retails for £5,999 in just one color, yes, black. But for an extra £500 for the SE, you'll get the choice of two different color schemes, including an eye-catching Kawasaki Racing Team version, a full-color TFT display, LED indicators, and Kawasaki's keyless ignition feature, KeePass. Kawasaki Intelligent Proximity Activation Start System. More information. Please subscribe.